Pick the game you want to play most.
The phone is ringing. Someone needs help.
Oh no! My student was taken away by a bad guy!
Wait for me. I'll be right there.
A kid was lured away by a bad guy with candy. Please help me.
Okay. Do you have any info about the bad guy?
These two kids have seen the bad guy.
Can you help me draw a picture of the bad guy?
No problem.
Kids, tell me the physical description of the bad guy. Kids, tell me the physical description of the bad guy.
The bad guy is an orange fox. Yes, that's the one. The bad guy is wearing a green top. That's right, that's what the bad guy looks like. The bad guy is wearing a pair of white pants. Yes, that's the one. The bad guy is wearing purple glasses. That's right, that's what the bad guy looks like. Yes, that's him. He's the bad guy.
Thank you. I'll go catch the bad guy right now. Which footprints belong to the fox? Found him! Let's go after him! Let's go catch the bad guy! Go find the bad guy! Catch the bad guy to open the door! Now let's go save the kids! We found the missing child! We found the missing child. You can ask the police for help when you're in trouble.
You've reached the finish line. Time to draw a prize. the new skin.